Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3 columns in one page in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now we can see here many pages here. Now we want to make 3 columns into one page. Go to the layout menu. Then select the margin and column. Then make 3. Then click OK. And we can see here 3 columns. Now I am decrease the size of my text box and adjust into 3 columns to this text. Now we can see we make 3 columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.